I know so many people who just don't want to have honey lemon chicken or honey garlic chicken just because they don't fancy the taste or they don't enjoy the taste of the Worcester sauce and soy sauce. Now, in this recipe today, I will show you how to make one without this both flavor. You want to use this recipe as an example to build in your own flavor in your chicken and still enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. To start with, you want to take your time and thoroughly clean your chicken with some lemon juice or vinegar. When you are done with that, you will season with your favorite spice. Now, these are the spices I will use for today. I went in with small amount of salt, small amount of cracked black pepper, which is my favorite, some smoked paprika powder. I went in with some chicken spice. You can go for any chicken spice of your choice. I went in with some basil. You can go for any other flavor like rosemary, like thyme, any one of your choice, your favorite. And then I'll go in with some vegetable oil. Again, I went in with some garlic, which I almost forgot. Now go in and generously marinate your chicken. You can marinate your chicken overnight or at least 1 hour. If no time, go ahead and bake your chicken. If you have enough space in your hair fryer, I love the result of hair fryer. Or you can make in the oven or pan fry. This is what I meant by making your own honey lemon chicken to your taste. Now I have interracial family. That shows that I always want to make a recipe that suits everyone. To make our honey sauce, I have a pepper mixture that contains red and green bell pepper, just small amount of red and green bell pepper. You can see the small quantity we are making. I have garlic, I have ginger, onion, spring onion, and parsley. So you want to just blend everything. I have the mixture already at home, okay? What I did is just add some red bell pepper and blend everything. Now introduce more amount of butter to a pan or to a pot. So bring in your pepper mixture, let it cook to reduce all the juice inside. Then add in some honey. Add in the honey that you can take. After the honey, you will go in with your lemon juice, okay? If you care, you can as well add in some lemon zest. That lemon juice will give you that tanginess or sweet and tangy flavor or taste that you are looking for in your honey lemon chicken. Now stir everything together. You can as well still add in some parsley, some any other flavor of your choice to achieve your goal. Okay, so stir everything to achieve what we have on the screen, and that's it. So this honey sauce did not take me more than 5 minutes to create, and we are good to go. So I also added some chili flakes. Okay, so chili is up to you. So we need some side dish for this meal. This is just a tip or an idea on what side dish you can go for. Today for my vitamin side dish, I have some spinach. I have my green fresh spinach. I went ahead to introduce some hot water, let it sit for maybe 1 minute and then strain it out. To a pot, you will introduce some olive oil or vegetable oil, butter, whatever oil you want to go for, or fat. Then bring in your spinach and season with garlic, small amount of salt, cracked pepper, my favorite, and then some nutmeg. Nutmeg and spinach are 5 and 6. Spinach didn't take me more than a minute to get it done. It shouldn't be overcooked, so it's very fast. In an air fryer for 45 minutes at 180 degrees C, our chicken is well cooked, well baked. It looks super good. It falls off the bone. The taste is amazing. I hope you enjoy watching to this time. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Now you will go in with your honey sauce and generously marinate that. It is time to enjoy, to pair with any of your side dish. So today I am going for mashed potato and spinach, and it was top notch. Like the taste is just unbelievable and it's everybody's favorite. I hope you enjoy watching, guys. Thank you so much. If you haven't checked out my channel for more recipe, it is high time to do so, because I bet you will love it here. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave your opinion in the comment section. Thank you all so much to my returning subscribers, to my first viewers. You guys are the best. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.